ITZY's post-performance snack preferences expose their real personalities. ITZY what they pick is very telling about the members' personalities. ITZY recently released a new EP, or mini-album, titled Checkmate. The girls have been hard at work promoting their new music, and recently they appeared in an exclusive interview with Spotify K-Pop On Track to reveal some facts about themselves that even the most dedicated ITZYs might be surprised to know. In the interview, a few members revealed their preferred treat after a performance. Amazingly, their answers reflected their true personalities. ITZY's leader, ITZY, had the unexpected answer of wanting to eat spicy food after coming off the stage. Perhaps even more startling was her reasoning: "These days after we perform, we tend to sweat a lot. So I like eating spicy food." She then specifically said she had been craving Chinese hot pot. She likes to fight fire with fire, which reflects her explosive stage presence. Yoona went in a completely different direction. ITZY's lovable hyperactive maknae, Korean word for the youngest in the group, said that she prefers to eat dessert instead. "I need chocolate or something really sweet. The sugar probably helps keep her bubbly personality up." Leah's answer was perfect for her spirit animal, the sloth, which was given to her by her members and their fans because she loves taking naps and moving at her own pace. She said she loves having cold sparkling drinks, particularly ones that are pineapple flavored. There was a condition, however, that made it the perfect snack for a sloth. She has it specifically after getting home and taking a shower before bed. Maybe the coolness also helps her feel sleepy. It's impressive how well balanced ITZY is, considering how different their personalities can be. It just goes to show how each of them can contribute to the group uniquely so that they bring out the best in each other. Watch the full interview below.